Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Big news, big event happening. We are downsizing, I should say liquidating probably 90 or 95% of our equipment up in our Oakland facility. Zip code is 94601 in case anybody is interested in planning trucking or possibly looking up, location-wise, where to will call, etc. This sale is not so much a piecemeal sale. We don't have time, we don't have the help to go plug in one machine and tell you if it cools or if it works. This is a sale that is meant for our rebuilders, our volume buyers, our resellers, people that want a deal. We've got, of course, vending machines, tons and tons and tons of cabinets, complete, incomplete, half complete machines, and these are going to go cheap, guys. 50, 100 bucks. There's going to be a ton of stuff. Whatever doesn't sell will end up going to the scrap yard. We have lots of cooling units, parts galore. I have two huge parts rooms. Most of these parts are going to be for the earlier equipment, maybe up through the 90s. As far as the really late model stuff, we kind of buy what we need because it's so expensive, but we have bought out so many operators in the Bay Area, literally hundreds in the last 40 years. We have so many parts, so I would entertain offers on our two parts rooms. It's going to be a major undertaking to get them. They're both on the second floor. We need to take them down, pack them, but those are available. I've got thousands of coffee units, and I mean office coffee units. Not a lot of Bun-O-Matic, but all the other brands, Ferguson and those. Most of them are air pot style. We have some that are glass pot style, but I have all these palletized, ready to ship now. In case you're going to ask how much, semi-loads are going to be around 2,500 bucks to start with, and if we end up with a few at the end, they might be less. I've got about a dozen 60 style soda machines, both can and bottle, the old slide type with the door that opens, you pull the bottle out. I've got about a dozen of those for my rebuilders of the vintage stuff. And there's so much stuff, guys. I'm going to do a video when I get there in the next 24 hours of our outdoor storage facility, which is about an acre, so you can get an idea how much stuff is there. And then our warehouse, our big one, where we store a tremendous amount of parts, which is about probably 6,000 or 7,000 square feet. Tons and tons of stuff. I've got, for you resellers, maybe with retail stores, I've got 100 neon beer signs plus another 100 or two light up beer signs. These are all from the distributors there in the Bay Area. I've just got every type, and we're not going to sell those one at a time. If you happen to be in the Bay Area and you want to come by and you're not a tire kicker, we will facilitate some in-person sales. So guys, just letting you know what's happening. I am planning on getting out of here in the next 6 hours from the airing of this video and heading to Oakland. And guys, keep the phone calls to a minimum. If you're ready to buy, I want to talk to you. Let's get semis rolling your way. So guys, I appreciate all the support, and for now, Doug at Doug's World Tour, out.